In the wild's brutal hierarchy, one predator reigns supreme. The wolf, nature's perfect hunting machine. Intelligent, adaptable, merciless, some of their main characteristics. Their tactics are refined through millennia, isolating the weak, testing defenses. When they strike, there is no escape. The alpha males are stealing the show by exposing their hunting skills while the cubs are playing with each other. A single hunt feeds the pack for days and ensures the next generation survives. Wolves don't just kill, they restore balance. Where wolves return, rivers change course, forests regrow. Somehow they carry the balancing ability inside in them. Yet humans still fear these guardians of nature. While scientists fight to protect them, the wild needs its wolves. Will we let them survive? Let's show respect towards these so special and sophisticated creatures that are gifted from the Mother Nature with all their skills and abilities. If you found this video interesting, guys, please make one like. Comment down which part you liked the most, and please subscribe to see more videos on our YouTube channel.